In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can use Armorpaint and in combination with Rhino. So you can export from Rhino and import in Armorpaint right away and start painting your stuff, and then bring back that again if you want in Rhino. So the first thing, of course, you need to have Armorpaint installed and Rhino installed. And if you don't know what Armorpaint is, it's basically a alternative to Substance, which is gonna be less expensive and, well, actually totally free if you manage to build that. And if you want more information about that, just search in our channel. You will find video guides and an entire video course about Armorpaint. Now, what we need to do here is to export the object from Rhino before we actually can get it into Armorpaint for the painting. So what we can do is go to File, Export Selected, and you can see here I've already exported. Now you need a format that's going to be compatible with Armorpaint. In this case it's FBX, but you also have other options. In my case, I always choose FBX when I have the possibility because I find it really appropriate and always working. Okay, so I already did that, but I'm gonna replace it just to show you what's gonna happen when you're gonna export. Because essentially here, what I'm doing is converting this model, which was in the sub-D modeling in Rhino. So sub-D is kind of a new poly modeling of Rhino. So it's kind of curves. It's similar to NURBS, but also if you have NURBS in Rhino, you need to export and convert NURBS to meshes. So if you use meshes in Rhino, you won't have any problems to export, but if you want to use NURBS objects, you need to convert them. So in the moment of the export, you say OK, and you're gonna activate here the preview on this little panel, and it's gonna show you the polygons that you're gonna export to work in Armorpaint or other application that uses polygons. So here you can decrease the number of polygons. If you want the object not to be heavy, you can do low poly, but just be careful about the edges. So be careful that they don't look too edgy, exactly. So they don't look too not too rounded. So here I want to maintain the roundness of this fridge, so I'm gonna increase it. There you go. So at least when I see the curve, it's gonna be good. And also I can see this effect, which is called shot lining. It's a new effect. Well, not really new, but it's been used in Rhino to create, you know, this like the object is looking like it has separated parts. So it's gonna look a little bit better. Well, it's an effect that you can use in Rhino. Pretty cool and pretty handy. Again, if you want to check all other tools in Rhino, please also check our Rhino video course. Okay, now once you figure out how many polygons you have, you say OK, and you will export the object. So all you need to do now is go to File, Import, and select that same object right there that you have exported. Now in my case, I've exported here, Rhino Fridge, and I will open it. And it's this one that you are seeing right here in Armorpaint. So once it's inside, I can see it has a UV map, unwrapped map, so I can start to paint around using different tools here, play around with different layers. Well, all the things that you can do in Armorpaint, which are really nice and that are fully explained into the Armorpaint video course. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have questions, please write it in the comments. Also, if you want to give some suggestions to other users, please do it. And please support our channel by subscribing or joining. And we're gonna do a lot of other video guides and see and experiment with other really interesting software. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching again. See you in the next video.